My name is Shane Watson. I'm one of the VETIS trainers at Blue Dog Training. I've been with Blue Dog now for 10 years. I love it because I love seeing those lights coming on in young people's eyes when they learn a new skill or they work out they're capable of doing stuff. That's an amazing feeling. And you can see the actual impact we're having on those young students, that we're changing their lives. We're giving them opportunities through school, through a trade that they may not have. What sets Blue Dog Training aside from other companies? The trust, where we're trusted to do our job, we're trusted to make sure things are completed on time. We understand the interactions we're having with our teachers, our staff, and the intricacies around that. And often one model doesn't fit everybody, and we're given the trust to run it as we see fit, which is a great thing.